Forgot your password? Or just want to keep your Google Play Store account secure? Since the Google Play Store uses your Google account, changing the password is easy and only takes a minute. In this video, we'll show you how to change your Google Play Store password using your phone. Now, let's get started. Open Google Play Store app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon. Tap on Manage your Google account. When you try to change password on Google Play Store and it redirects you to Google, it's because Play Store is part of your overall Google account. Play Store is a service within your Google account, just like YouTube, Drive, or Photos. So, to change password on Google Play Store, you have to change password on your Google account. Okay, now, tap on Personal Info. Now scroll down and head to Password option. Tap on Password. Now, you need to verify your identity. On this page, Google will ask you to enter your password, a two-step verification code, or respond to a Google prompt. Now, you can change password. Simply type your new password here. Make sure it's 8 characters long. Next, tap on Change Password. Now Google say you'll stay signed in on this devices after changing your password. Simply tap on Change Password. You have now successfully changed password on Google Play Store. And that's it. Now you know how to change password on Google Play Store. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. See you in the next video.